Before you make a decision to buy IObit, there are a few things you need to know. Whether you're looking for a more efficient way to manage your PC or simply want to optimize your system's performance, IObit might seem like a solid option. But how does it stack up against competitors? Stick around till the end to find out what makes it worth your attention and where it might fall short. First things first, IObit offers a wide range of products, from PC optimization tools to security software. One of its flagship offerings, Advanced System Care, promises to speed up your computer, fix errors, and clean up your system. It's a great tool, but is it the best? Compared to other optimization software like CCleaner or Clean My PC, IObit comes with a more robust suite of features. However, that's not always a good thing. More features don't always mean better performance, and it can be overwhelming for users who just need a quick fix. Next thing, the user interface. IObit is relatively easy to navigate for beginners, but when you dive deeper, it can get a little cluttered. This can be a problem for people who want to get straight to the point without wading through multiple tabs and options. Unlike competitors like Glare Utilities, which keeps things simple, IObit may feel a little bloated. But if you're someone who likes having a lot of features at your fingertips, this could be a plus. The third thing you should know is its pricing. IObit is not the cheapest option out there. If you compare it to something like the free version of CCleaner, or even free tools like BleachBit, IObit's premium plans may seem a little expensive. But it's important to keep in mind that you often get what you pay for. IObit's paid plans come with more advanced features, like real-time monitoring and automatic cleanup, making it a better long-term investment for serious users. Just be sure to weigh the cost against the features you'll actually use. Now, let's talk about its cleaning capabilities. IObit claims to be able to clean up your computer and optimize it in ways other software can't. And while it does a good job in some areas, it doesn't always deliver the best results across the board. In fact, tools like Clean My PC tend to have a more thorough clean, especially when it comes to handling registry issues and cleaning up system junk files. IObit does get the job done, but don't expect a miracle. The fifth thing worth mentioning is the software's security features. IObit includes an antivirus solution, and while it's decent, it doesn't quite measure up to industry leaders like Bitdefender or Norton. The antivirus scans can be slower, and the protection isn't as comprehensive. If you're looking for top-tier security, you might want to look elsewhere, or pair IObit with another security software. The sixth thing is the customer support experience. In my testing, IObit's customer service was responsive, but not always the most helpful. If you're used to quick, in-depth support, like what you get from competitors such as Kaspersky, you might find IObit lacking in that department. While they do offer online guides and forums, getting immediate help can be a bit of a wait. And finally, the seventh thing you should know before buying IObit is its free trial offer. This is where the company really shines. You can try out most of IObit's software for free before committing to a paid plan, which is a great way to test if it fits your needs. However, make sure to check the terms, as some features are locked behind the paid plans, so you won't be getting the full experience in the free version. If you're still on the fence about IObit, I've got good news. You can get the best offer for the software and try it out completely free through the first link in the description. So, if you want to explore the full capabilities of IObit and see if it's the right fit for you, don't wait. Click that link below and get exclusive access today. If you're looking to get a taste of what IObit has to offer, this is your chance. I've used it myself, and I can tell you that it's definitely worth considering, but just make sure to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial.